I'm here to introduce our new internally heated battery to you. This is our flagship model, the 112. Inside this battery is a built-in heat solution. It's a proprietary solution. It works seamlessly. We're going to explain more about it in this video, but we're very excited to bring you a product you've been asking for a really long time.
And we're really excited about this battery because it really allows full operation even when it gets very cold outside. Now, a lot of people know that it's not a great idea to charge a lithium-ion battery when it's below freezing. Actually, with our battery, we have a cold temperature protection so that you can't ruin the battery by trying to charge it below freezing. But if it is below freezing and you need to charge the battery, the internal heating function allows you to do that.
It's built for those extreme environments. Whether you have an industrial application, let's say mining, or you're doing some wintertime hunting or extreme camping like Chad from Living the Van Life, this battery will reheat itself and allow you to charge it no matter what the temperature is outside. The system to enable the heat is very easy to use. It's actually enabled with a switch, so you don't have to worry about using it in the summertime on accident. The solution is only available inside this battery. It's no longer the outside wrap that we used to have on our batteries, which wasn't a very cost-effective solution. It works great, but it wasn't cost-effective. It's available from battlebornbatteries.com exclusively, and it does come with our 10-year warranty.
So we are really psyched to finally have this product out on the market. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to contact us at Battleborn Batteries.